What's up? What's up? It's 3 p.m. right now. I'm still working on my projects, and my project management is going so well that I can have two projects at the same time in one day. So that's great. That's the first point. So how I'm doing that? That's one thing's called Trello.com. This is like a project management that you can like manage to have column and you can move tasks between column. So I have like four columns. It's like uh, tasks need to be done, like to do, doing, to test, and feedbacks. So it's basically I put everything at the morning in the to do list. Fuck, fuck hint. So then I'm like every morning and every day I'm choosing one like couple of tasks in the to do list and moving them to doing and try to get them done by the end of the day. That's something like that. It's pretty easy. So you focus on the to do list each morning and then you're going through the whole process. And I also add something really great for the project management. It's something called Harvest. It's a time tracking software on internet. It's pretty great because when you're tracking your time, you're focused on okay, I cannot waste any time because I'm billing this tracking like this time. But yeah, tracking stuff. So if I'm doing anything, I'm gonna bill my clients with nothing. So this is not fair, and my clients not gonna love it. So yeah, right now it's pretty great. I got some good results, but I have bad news. I have to deliver a project on Friday, and I hope I have. I hope I'm gonna do it because if not, I'm not gonna take the check. I mean the money at the end. So guys, cross finger. Wish me luck with that. And yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time during the next 5 days. All right, follow me. Follow me. Oh, she loved that. Oh. Cats, I'm going back to work. Bye bye. Alright, I'm having a small break right now because I'm working a lot. It's 6 p.m. and I'm gonna eat Petit Suisse. I'm gonna eat Petit Suisse.